Lila, what are you making?
Christmas tree.
You're making a Christmas tree? Will you show me?
Yeah.
Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. You made that all by yourself?
Yeah.
What colors are on it?
Green, another green, another green.
Green and lots of green. Are there also blues?
Yeah,
Mm.
another.
And yellow and white?
Yeah, another here.
That's a beautiful Christmas tree. I love it.
And this is here.
Yeah? Hey, Lila, what are those?
This magnet.
They're magnets that you made into a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Oh, how cool. Thank you for doing that. Thank you. Are you laying down on the kitchen floor? Hey, you ready to eat some dinner?
Yeah.
Let's have pasta. Will you do me a favor, please? Can you put the magnets away, please? Back on the refrigerator?
Hey. It's a kitty.
My kitty scared you. Will you put the magnets back on the refrigerator, please?
This.
Yes.
And this.
Yes. Thank you.